Let's assemble your 32-inch rollable smart touchscreen TV. First, ensure that you have all the parts needed for assembly. Remove the base and stand from the case, then insert the stand into the hole. Using the wrench, fasten the 4 hex screws to the base. Connect the matching wire clips together. Connect red to red and blue to blue. Install the bottom cover to the base as shown. Locate the positioning column and mounting holes on the back of the monitor. Using both hands, hold the monitor with the touchscreen display facing you. Align the mounting holes with the position column. You should hear a click when the display is locked in place. Insert the stand's power cable clockwise into the port at the back of the monitor. Fix the cable into the cable groove. Install the monitor cover by aligning the indicator marks and position to fasten the monitor cover to the monitor. Insert the power adapter, then press and hold the power button on the stand to turn your TV on. And there you have it. Contact our support team if you need help with your device.